Listen to 6 live calls with home sellers. Learn exactly what to say to buy a house at 60 cents on a dollar minus repairs, basically wholesale price, or negotiate a taking over payments subject to. Hey gang, this is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and I'm bringing you my revolutionary course, 7 hours, basically a full day training where you hear us talking to sellers where we're negotiating to buy their homes subject to, we're negotiating to buy their homes by taking over the payments with sellers. This is revolutionary. It's never been done. Okay, exactly how to talk to the sellers so they're willing to give you the house versus a different competitor. Okay, now what I would like for you to do is go here and read all the stuff because I'm not going to be able to get into it. What you're going to get, but you're going to learn how to talk to sellers, how to build rapport. You're going to learn how to negotiate and buy houses 60 cents on a dollar. You're going to learn how to talk to sellers to take over their house payments. You're going to learn what kind of questions to ask the sellers. You're going to learn how to buy properties without borrowing from a bank or hard money lender. You're going to understand the 3 stepping stones framework to close deals as a real estate investor and an agent fast. There's so much, guys, so I'm not gonna be able to get into all of it. But simply put, you're gonna hear live calls. These are live calls that we're talking over the phone with homeowners. You're gonna hear 6 live calls, 6 live negotiation where we're working with the sellers to buy their home by just taking over their house payments, aka subject to seller financing, owner financing, whatever you want to call it. At the same time, you're going to hear us talk and negotiate 60 cents on a dollar home. That's wholesale price, all live. And you're going to hear hours and hours and hours of phone call negotiation plus other training to help you get deals on this course. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.